Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. It is beautiful outside today, and we're ready to go. We got Frank first in the chat. We got Rock, Paper, Scissors, Lizard, Spock, baby. Ryan the Rapper second in the chat. Thought he was first. We got Frank. We got Ryan. We got Ryan. We got Frank, Ryan, Bender, Ryan, Brian. Oh my gosh, so many ions. So glad to have all you guys in here right now. If you haven't clicked subscribe button on either one of these channels, click subscribe on either one of these channels. The 24-hour mark that should let me go live, vertical view, I mean, it's not even there yet, man. It's kind of stupid. So about 4:30, somebody remind me to check and see if I can go live on that other channel around 4:30. I don't know exactly what time it hit 50 subscribers yesterday, but it said I may need to wait 24 hours before I can go live on mobile on the other channel after hitting 50 subscribers. So somebody remind me about that. If you haven't subscribed to either one of these channels, please hit it. But let's check the market out and see what's going on so far today. AMC in the top left. No, AMC's not in the top left-hand side of the screen. It's in the bottom left. Bitcoin's in the top left-hand side of the screen, sitting at $65,200, down 1.1% of the day today. GameStop, man, coming down 30% on the day. GameStop finishing at $27.66. Dang, man. Shiba Inu Coin, 24.47 points, down 2.78% today. AMC having a very, very hard day as well. 15.5% lower on the day today and continuing lower after hours right now, sitting at $4.63. You've got the NASDAQ. NASDAQ closing 0.25% lower today. AMC, 15% lower. GameStop, 30% lower. You got Dogecoin sitting at 15 cents flat, down about 5% of the day today. Ethereum, 29.45. Shiba Inu Coin, 24.47. You got Bitcoin sitting at 65,271. The SPY sitting at 528. QQQ, 451. Molinado, 561. Sundial sitting at 265. Netflix, 610. MPW, 513. Tesla, $174.87. Amazon, $183.63. And Apple finishing the day higher, just above even, at $189.87. We're going to watch Bitcoin right there, but we're going to keep our eyes on AMC in the middle left-hand side of the screen. Unless, of course, we go full screen here, then you can see all four of these. But right now, we're going to watch AMC, and then, of course, Shiba Inu Coin in the middle right-hand side of the screen. So let's go back to this view right here. And we don't need to watch the Claybro thing. You guys can go click subscribe on that. We're going to jump back up into these cryptocurrencies. My goodness, dude. Sloth on us. Strength. Go. Slothana, man. Nothing stopping Slothana from ripping on them. Oh my gosh, it looks good. Let's see this Thune coin. Is it doing anything right now? Very interesting that Thune coin, I can't pull the graph up, so I don't know what's going on right there. If Dark Bro's in here, maybe Dark Bro knows. I don't know. Prepare for your heart to be broken. Frank was probably talking to Ryan the Rapper there. Let's see. Ryan is like the go over that keeps lipping out putts. Yes. Lipping out putts. Whatever that means. Clear see the GME hype would likely be dead by Friday. Well, Frank might be dead by Thursday, okay? It can come back on Friday, right? It can come back. If it died on Thursday, we can resurrect it on Friday. A lot of people right now, if you're following the posts out on X and all of that stuff, a lot of people are wondering if Roaring Kitty's comeback is instead a hack, okay? A lot of people saying that Roaring Kitty never acted like this 3 years ago. Why would he be acting like this and posting so often now? So a lot of people wondering if it is the real Roaring Kitty, saying that it could be fake news Roaring Kitty. And hey man, you know, if they're right, yeah, AMC is going to be back down to $2 a share. GameStop's going to be back down probably below $10 a share. So be very, very careful if it was fake news and it's not Roaring Kitty and all of that. Let's see. Bro, my Mzilla coin died at GME with 4X tomorrow. Well, dude, some of them win, some of them lose. Orange juice, some of them gain, some of them decline. I mean, hopefully you weren't 100% into Mzilla. GME 4Xing tomorrow. If GME 4X is tomorrow, take your stinking profits, man. Oh my gosh. Guys, I don't know if you realize this, but if GME 4X is tomorrow, okay, and it goes back up to $120, that is the all-time high for GME. That is the highest that it reached in 2021. Don't forget, there's 4 times more shares outstanding now. So if you know, if you're looking at a 4x gain from here and you're thinking it can keep going, well, sure, it can keep going. But a 4x gain takes you to about $120, which would be the all-time high for GameStop. Don't forget that. Make sure you book your profits. Make sure you take advantage of the situation if you do see that. Think what they want, GME. Something. I know I missed something there, Jamie. Roaring Kitty came back to buy Rakoff. And Roaring Kitty may have come back to buy Rakoff. I don't know if he did or not, but he may have returned to do that. Disclosure Crypto. Anything on Gary, my brother? Let's check out Gary. A lot of you guys interested in Gary. And I haven't seen you guys ask in a while. What's the best investment out there right now? Yourself. Yourself. You will always be your best investment. Okay, you can make money, you can do all of that, but you are always going to be your best investment, and I truly, truly mean that. Just focus on you, dude. Focus on you. Let's see. Gary is what he wanted to see, so Gary is what he's gonna see. Is it Gary AI? What is it? I gotta go here for Gary, I think. All right, Gary Network. That's what it is. Gary Network sitting at 2.2 cents at the moment. Pretty volatile day today, floating around 5-6% swings. On the week, it is down just 3%, not too bad. But man, following a very nice channel over the last week. You buy on 2.2, you sell on 2.3, 2.4, man. Make 5 to 10%. You would have made it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You would have made it like 7 times over the last week. You would have doubled your money just buying and selling that channel. Wow, dude. Very similar channel on the month as well. Every time Gary comes down into this 2.2 cent level, it likes and tries to bounce back up to 2.3, 2.4 cents, comes back down, bounces back up. Let's see. Now the annual channel is a little bit different. It goes back to May of 2023 here, and you have seen you know, lower lows down to the 1.2 cent level to 4.7 cents. And bouncing back and forth in between there. But, yeah, man, if you're looking at that monthly and if you're looking at the weekly, I don't know. Test it out if you want to test it out. But overall, it does look nice, and it is bouncing or getting ready to hit support at that 2 cent mark. So, could be a good buying opportunity if you're trying to hold Gary longer term. But I always forget why, so remind me if you know. But I always forget why there was this massive drop-off right here. Somebody told me before, but because I look at it so seldom, I forget why that drop-off occurred there. So if you want to enlighten me, I'll be more than happy to hear why it dropped off. Michael Allen! Mike says, Rakoff dipping, but dipping some, but still good. Let's see where Rakoff is at, ladies and gentlemen. It is dipping some. All right, here's what I'm going to say on this one, man. This is what we talked about yesterday. Wick down here, bounced off. Wick down here, bounced off. It's currently wicking right back down. Now, if this does not hold up, I already said if it falls through this level, maybe take some and get back in. But this was the next intermediary level. If this falls, you're coming back down to 34. Dude, don't take another 40% loss just to hold. You know what I mean? Get back in if you want, especially if everybody starts getting out. Why do you have to be the guy that holds? So next level of support that you're going to see down, if the current level doesn't hold up, kind of where these wicks were. It wants to break down, it seems like today. But, I mean, dude, you look at the volatility on the day alone. It already wicked back up and tested that 8 level again. So it is a very volatile token. And volume is up today, $52,000 in volume as people are trading. So be very well aware that it could come back down to that 3 level. It could come all the way back down if it breaks that to the 1 level. But yeah, man, it's still looking, I can't say strong, but the volatility is there as it tested maybe this morning, that level at 82, falling back now off of that resistance. Let's see. Anybody in here new to the channel, please click the subscribe button. Your name's going to pop up at the top of the screen right there, and everybody wants to see their name at the top of the screen. What do you think Shiba Inu? Well, I like Shiba Inu, Ronnie. I like Shiba Inu. I don't like the Shiba Inu ecosystem team, or the ecosystem team who claims to be building for Shiba Inu Coin, but I do like Shiba Inu Coin, and I like the community, man. Let's see. Today was a funny day in the market. Roth long-term dropped about 0.5% of the market open. Went sideways and closed down 0.47%. I'll take a theta burn Thursday. There you go, Frank. Yeah, today was a pretty interesting day. Floating around break even all day and closing down 0.25% was the overall market. So you're kind of right in line there with a 0.47% decline on the day today as the overall market dropped 0.26. Where's the NASDAQ? Yeah, 0.26% lower today. So not a bad day. Not a bad day, Frank. 4 times bull, polar bear, goat, bull. Crap. Take your pack and double dipped. What? 4x bear, polar bear. 4 polar bears and a goat. Bull crap. Is this some sort of a riddle? 4 bears and a goat. 4 bears and a goat. I don't know, man. Forbearing, the greatest of all time. I don't know, man. I don't know what the riddle is there. Cheap entry for rake off soon, maybe. Mister, you could be right, man. You could be right. If it does continue to fall down, I don't know if you guys are taking profits or if you're buying the dip, but best of luck to you in rake off, man. Do you think No Hat will go up anytime soon? Orange juice, it very well could. J-Bone's been asking about No Hat. So we looked at No Hat in the earlier live stream today. Don't forget, guys, remind me at 4:30 because I want to see if I can open that live. I should have been able to open live on mobile because I got over 50 subscribers on that channel. I should have been able to open it. Frank, did you try earlier? What am I clicking on here? No Hat. No Hat. No hats. No Hat is sitting at 0.078 right now. Coming back down, still in this little channel right here. So, do I think it can rise from here? Yes, I absolutely do think that it can rise from here. It's kind of this horizontal support line on the upper end of those candles right there. But still following this ascending trend line very nicely, but also following this descending trend line very nicely. So, No Hat is currently wedging down into this area. You're going to see some, most likely, going to continue to see some consolidation here. Yeah, throughout the rest of the day today, man. I don't know. Maybe by midnight tonight, by the time you're sleeping tonight, No Hat is going to decide if it's going to break out in either direction. So hopefully it does break out to the upside. But honestly, it's very interesting, right? You've got these ascending trend lines that really started to take place way back here. And if you pull this descending trend line out, you can see that it's doing the same thing here, man. There's just one big wedge. You had a little bit of a break back up here. I don't think you can, you can't really take it there. But you had a little bit of a break to the upside here. Maybe a slight break to the downside here. But you got a huge wedge forming right now. Hopefully, if it does break back out to the upside, No Hat can soar higher. I mean, it's only, dude, it's almost 9,000 holders, and it's only sitting in a $7 million market cap. So, not bad at all, man. Not bad at all for No Hat. Slothana looking very strong. Let's see where this one's at. 76. All right, coming back down just a little bit. We got to see if it maintains this ascending trend line. This is what you got to watch out for on T-Man Coin here. I am buying back into this one if it dies back down a little bit. Definitely. Loading the boat. This will make me $1 million this year if it falls down to this area once again. So, we'll see what happens there. And Katamoto. Where's Katamoto at? Katamoto back in the 6 range. All right, take the 6 range. Katamoto bouncing off that blue line, moving up nicely right now, and hopefully continues up nicely. It doesn't come back down to this level. We only want gains in Katamoto. Katamoto's seeing a lot less volume, though, so the bots are dying down in Katamoto, but they did exactly what they were intended to do. Katamoto trending #1. And guys, don't sleep on these guys, man. They're doing a lot in terms of projects, in terms of exchange listings, in terms of everything that they got going on. Hello! Current contracts in the Discord member chat will outline my plan, or Friday plan tonight after work. Didn't try to stream yet. Let's go. No Hat. There you go. J-Bo. I don't have... Dang it, man. I don't have the Discord open. So Sorry, Frank. I do not have the Discord open to be able to see the current contracts that you have open. What you making? Green bacon is what I'm making. Green bacon. Do you always come in the chat and say green bacon, what you making? That's a nice slogan, dude. You could start it. It's almost like, let's get started. You can start a pretty good YouTube channel with green bacon. What you making? I like it. I like it a lot, dude. Let's see. Gold Australia. Best, bro. Jamie. What? Are you from Gold Australia? Is that like a place in Australia? I have no idea, man. Jamie, you speak in riddles, dude. You're speaking in riddles. I know it might be really early in the morning over there in Australia, so you might still be a little bit tired, but you speak in riddles to me, man, and I can't really understand you. Let's see here. Hit it. Is GME AMC done? Wandamian, Nebraska. GME and AMC could be done, yes, if two things occur. Number one, Adam Aron continues to lead AMC. I believe he is leading that company into the ground. I believe he has no remorse, and I believe he will take all of investors' money as long as he is at the wheel. So AMC never stands a chance if Adam Aron is there. Number two, AMC GME done, yes. If the speculation right now that Roaring Kitty is like a fake Roaring Kitty, then yes, AMC GME done in that sense. A lot of people saying that Roaring Kitty never posted like this. This is so out of character. This has got to be some sort of a hack on his account, and so many other things, man. So if that proves to be true, I mean, it's gonna drill another nail down into the coffin. So maybe. Let's just put it a maybe right now. Also, dude, I did see for the very first time, Trey was posting out on X, and he posted 2 days ago and said that he's not coming back. Gym time is better than screen time. Gym time is important, right? And I've been putting in way too much screen time over the last couple of months with all the sponsored videos and, 4, 5, 6 posts a day and stuff like that. So I've been putting in a lot of screen time over the last couple of months. Gym time is very important, but I don't know, man. Trey, it seems to be looking very strong, but a lot of people commenting on, acne and stuff like that. It is indicative of, I guess, hormone enhancers. Is that what we can call them? Indicative of gear is what the kids were calling it out on X. So hopefully Trey's having a lot of fun, man. Hopefully Trey made a lot of money. Trey has no intentions of coming back. So I don't know. If anybody wanted an update on that, I actually did see that he posted out on X 2 days ago and said he's definitely not coming back. Cryptography, baby. That's the best kind, man. Keep him guessing, Jamie. Keep him guessing. Let's see. Just getting up for work. Yeah. Dude, getting up for work right now. What time is it, man? Is it 5:30, 6:30 over there for you? What time you got right now? I know some places in Australia I think are 15 hours ahead. But 12 hours ahead seems a little too early to be getting up for work. You might be getting up 5:30, 6:30 right now. 7:30 maybe, depending on what you do. But what time you got over there? Clay, there's been very little talk on Lunk. Are we still on life support with this? So, 420 here. J-Bones, baby! It is 420 here, J-Bones. So, Jeffrey, yes, there has been very little talk on Terra Luna Classic lately. And you know what? I'm going to be honest with you, man. I think it might be better. Terra Luna Classic doing a very good job to maintain support levels at that 10,000 point per coin level. Yes, that is near all-time lows. And it's nowhere near the 50, 60,000 points that it hit when it bounced hard back at the end of, 2022? So Terra Luna Classic could do much better, yes. But here's my thoughts on it, man. If it's maintaining these support levels, I think that everything you're going to see from the Terra Luna Classic developers are simply paycheck grabs, right? One after another, after another, and after another. Just simply draining the community pools that Terra Luna Classic has. And until you get somebody that is truly committed to growth, I don't know if you're going to see it in Terra Luna Classic. I think the speculation has worn off. I think the excitement of the decline has worn off. But that's just my perspective, right? I could be completely wrong. It has been a very long time since I've done a video on Terra Luna Classic, but that's just kind of I guess, way I'm gauging it right now based on what I see out on X. Let's see. Spot on! Wake and Bake No One Ice Network. Oh my god, dude, something is happening here. Luke is on live support, but Rakoff making it great again. Wait for Project X. Mr. P, make it happen, dude. I like it. Recommend you connect with the team for... Are you talking about Rakoff or are you talking about Project X there, Mr. P? Judge is cooking. All right, Mr. P, I like it. Everybody got something going on with Terra Luna Classic. And Rakoff, and apparently Project X as well. Guys, I'm seeing 223 people in here right now. I would ask that you please kindly click the subscribe button. If you guys are brand new, please click that as you're rolling through. I do go live twice a day during the week, 4 p.m. Eastern Time and noon Eastern Time. We have a lot of fun in here with whatever stocks, whatever cryptos you guys want to look at. So thank you very much for clicking that button. All right, so it is 424. Let's see if I can pull up streaming on mobile. What is going on, man? I'm gonna close the app out and try again. All right, well, it should be a couple more minutes. I'm going to try it again, man. Subscribe, subscribe, like, bell button, all. Yeah, actually do it, guys. That's very important. I think the average amount of people that click the bell or the notification button on channels is like 10%, okay? And I get it. You guys don't want to be bombarded with notifications all day, but you have... Dude, if you would click the bell button for some people, even if it's not me, right? It is absolutely life-changing for the people that you do click that bell button for. Even if you just watch the video for a couple of minutes. Dude, it is incredible how much you guys have an impact on people's lives simply by watching YouTube videos. And I watch very little TV, right? If I'm going to watch TV, I watch some Bob Barker, Price is Right, in the evening before going to bed. But like, if I'm watching, something, I'm watching it on YouTube, man. I got Grubby up here playing Warcraft right now. Listen. I got Grubby up here playing Warcraft. That if I got a second, I'm watching the dude play an old game that I liked. It is life-changing for people if you're simply willing to click a button and watch their content. Nickbeard, do you feel the bull market is here already? J-Bones, yes. Absolutely, man. So, do I feel like the greedy bull market or the bull market peak or, the rip is here? No. Okay? I don't feel like that. But I do feel like we have definitely bottomed in terms of, Bitcoin, Ethereum going down, touching $800,000 per coin. Bitcoin going down, touching that 15,000. I believe that part of the cycle is over, and we've clearly seen some nice growth over the last really full year to year and a half. So I think that's where we are right now, is kind of in the bull market, which is why I am completely fine buying these dips. Now, I've made a lot of money in Slothana. I hope to make a lot of money in Dogeverse. I lost some money in Dogecoin 20. Made a lot of money in Meme Combat. Made some money in Green Bitcoin. Scotty AI, made like 70% on Scotty AI. So I am completely fine buying the dips right now because I do believe we're in a bull market. Now, I am a little... So on the pre-sales, I'm a little bit more skeptical of their longevity, so I have no problem taking profits and stuff. But, dude, if you're holding some tokens right now, whenever the peak is, you'll kind of know, right? It's going to be an exponential rip, a 5, 10, 20x increase, basically across the board in a lot of the altcoins and meme coins. Maybe a 2x increase, maybe taking Bitcoin up to $100, $150, $200,000. 200 may seem slightly excessive to me. I'm really looking between that 100 to 150 range. But when it rips like that, dude, there will be another bear market. And I'll say this, right? I don't know if this is going to be true or not, but 2021, that bull market was kind of inflated because of everybody getting stimulus checks, child tax credits, all of these things that resulted in free money, right? Money that wasn't earned. So people went out and they bought crypto and bought penny stocks and stuff like that with it. The next run could be a little different. People understand the FOMO now. They missed 2017. They missed 2021. They do not want to miss the next one. So when that happens, it could be on news. Maybe T-Man gets elected, right? And he says, we are going to revolutionize the crypto market. We're going to set some good ground rules. We're going to get these players in the game, and we're going to be the best. The United States is going to lead in innovation for cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and we are welcoming to all of these multi-billion-dollar corporations that want to build in the cryptocurrency space. Dude, people will go, they will be fanatics at that point, right? Very, very excited. And excitement leads to FOMO. So we could see a very, very steep curve, either ahead of the election, slightly after election, and then things may calm down a little bit on the actual news. It's not going to be overnight that we're going to get this regulation. It's not going to be overnight that you're going to have an entirely embracing United States and everybody's going to be rolling into crypto or anything like that. So it'll be interesting to see how things play out after something like that takes place. But, you can see a very nice spike up on something like that later on in the year. So, yes, I do personally believe, it's up to you guys at that point, but I personally believe that we are in a bull market. We've just not hit the exponential rocket, right? We haven't stepped on that bottle rocket yet, ripped higher, and getting ready to fall back down. We haven't hit that yet, but I think the fuse has been lit, man. Excitement's there, and we're going to see some nice continued growth into later this year. Now, if later this year, if something else happens and inflation spirals out of control and nobody can afford to go out to dinner and everybody's just eating bread and water for 2 meals a day because you can't even afford the bread and water for 3 meals a day, we're going to need to be in a different situation at that point in time. And no, we won't be in a bull market. We're going to be in a bread market, trying to get as much food as possible to survive. Rakoff Army has the bell button on. I like it, Mr. P. Bitcoin to 100,000. We deserve it. We do, man. Look at Arca. All right, Jamie, look at Arca. Tell someone to step on the bottle. We ready. We ready. We are ready, right? Well, let me say this, man. I would like, the majority of my position is still in USDT. I would like to deploy that before fully ready. I would like to deploy my Solana back into some of the smaller tokens, maybe Slothana and the T-Man coin there. And I would like to deploy some of that. I got a lot of USDT on the Ethereum network, so I would like to deploy some USDT into some other tokens as well. So, Juan Damien, man, give me a little bit more time before somebody steps on that rocket and we just rip. I mean, I consider USDT a position. I truly do, man. I consider USDT a position against fiat. You might not be making any money on it, as it doesn't go up and down, but I consider USDT a position against fiat. Let's see. AMC in the coffin. La La Land, you might be right. No bread markets, please. Juan Damien, I do not want the bread markets. I want the bottle rocket markets. Okay? I want the fireworks markets. We don't want no bread markets around here. I'm with you on that. I'm the best trader to ever exist. Hey, Flamey, man, if you got some advice for people, if you truly are the best trader that exists, you might be, man. You might be. You might be very disciplined. You might be hitting a positive win rate. You might be making a lot of money. Share as much advice with people as you got out there. Something might stick. Something might stick with some people, and you might be able to help them. And I want everybody in here to make money. Hurrah! Is bridge function of Dogeverse different from centralized exchanges like Coinbase? Can swap there too? Well, okay, so Diamond Moonbag, I don't think that Dogeverse is going to have as much or as many tokens, right? It's going to be basically, major token to major token there. Using Dogeverse as the bridge. So from my understanding, what you're going to do is, let's say you would buy Dogeverse on the Ethereum network. You would bridge Dogeverse over to the Solana network, and then from there you could swap Dogeverse for Solana or another Solana token, right? So that's the way I understand that the Dogeverse bridge is going to work. The difference is, and this is completely up to you, right? The difference is you're on a centralized exchange like Coinbase versus a decentralized exchange in all of these like DEXs like Uniswap to do Ethereum tokens, PancakeSwap, Radium, and so on. So the difference is centralized exchange versus decentralized exchange. The difference is KYC on Coinbase versus no KYC on Uniswap. So that's your difference, man. And what you do after that is completely up to you, but that's your difference. Flamey, away at bombs, please. Yeah, Flamey, man. Keep it clean in here, man. I'm not even going to read it if you write it anyway. So it might as well just not write it, dude. I don't need the adjectives. We could be a little bit more creative with our adjectives out there. But truly, man, if you are one of the world's best traders, let us know. Shed some light, bring some discipline to us, and give us some, I guess, I don't know, insight onto how to become the best trader. And sorry, Jamie, Arca. Man, which one is it? I don't know which one you're looking at here. Is it Arcus? ARCAS? Or you want to look at Alpaca Arcade token? Not sure which Arca you're trying to look at there, but Jamie, let me know which one. I have not. Space 8, man. I have never traded on the Kronos blockchain. I've never traded on the Base blockchain. So I've never traded any Kronos coins. I've never traded any Base tokens either, man. Some people in here have, right? Some people in here have. Yesterday, 50x shorted Pepe right at the top, and it was good. Hey, Flamey, man. Yes. My only hang up is a 50x leverage trade. If you do not time it perfectly, you're going to lose that trade. It's just inevitable. So a 50x leverage trade gives you the ability to swing 2% without your trade busting. A 2% swing in the cryptocurrency market is just a couple of ticks. You could easily have candles moving 2%. So very, very well done if you hit a 50x leverage trade. I don't know how far you rode it, but a 2% move to the downside, if you shorted it, would result in a 50 or a 100% gain. So very, very nicely done. If you did open that 50x leverage trade there, just be very, very careful, man. If you're going to be leverage trading like that, scalp. That's it. I can't give you advice, right? But I have leverage traded in the past, and you can absolutely get wrecked very, very quickly. And if you continue to trade, like, you know, if every trade you're hitting, and you're like, this one I'm going to hit and I'm going to make it, man, well, then you just lost your account. So be very careful if you're 50x leverage. Be very careful if you're 5x leveraging or 10x leveraging. You know, a lot of people forget, man. If you open a position, if you own Bitcoin, it don't matter if Bitcoin goes back down to $100 tomorrow, right? You're still going to own that Bitcoin. You own that Pepe, right? Pepe goes back down to a $10 million market cap tomorrow. You're still going to own that Pepe. At the moment you open up a 2x leverage trade, if the position swings 50%, you're done, right? You're never getting that Pepe back. You're never getting that Bitcoin back. Your trade is closed out. So there's a lot of risk associated with leveraged positions that, dude, if you plan on being here, I mean, why not just continue to be here, dude? You can get so wrecked so quick in leverage. Let's see. What about Satoshi token? We can take a look at it, man. Thoughts on Book of Meme? Yeah, we haven't looked at Book of Meme in a while either. Adam smoked AMC. That he did, Anthony. That he did. 750% Bitcoin long yesterday. 100x leverage. Oh my god, dude. Dude, anybody that is 100x leveraging, man, yeah, you clearly don't need to go to a casino ever. So 100x leverage trade, man. If you missed that by 1%, you're out. You're out of here. All right, Book of Meme sitting at 1.1 cents, $771 million market cap right now. Come back a little bit on the hourly chart. Fading off the rally, right? Yeah. So still, Book of Memes still looking to form into this sort of bull flag that it's got going on out here, right? So if you're looking at this, maybe you might have had a little bit smaller of a bull flag right off the original rally here. This is what it may have looked like right after launch. Boom. But still kind of the same deal happening. Wedging. You are still hitting higher lows, but you're unfortunately still hitting lower highs. So Book of Meme, man, forming a bull flag, breaking out to the downside. Forming a longer term bull flag here. Hopefully it's trying, but it pulled right back down in today. Hopefully breaking back out to the upside now. So Book of Meme, this is what I'd be looking at. And if you really want the flagpole on the bull flag, you got that right there. This is what I'd be looking at on Book of Meme. This one is kind of done, but it shows you that it broke out to the downside. And in the longer term one now, hopefully breaking out to the upside there. So that's Book of Meme for you. Leverage trading requires sniper entries, period. Yeah, sniper entries and sniper exits as well, bearish. Sniper entries and sniper exits. If you're going to be leveraging, I don't care if you're leveraging 5% or 5x, right? Not even 150x. I don't care what type of leverage trading you're doing, but you are 100% right. Sniper entries, dude, and just quick exits. Because so quickly, dude, if you're 100x leverage, right, you can double your money in a tick. You can double your money in just one tick, one candle. And all of a sudden, the next candle wipes you out. So if you can double your money, I don't know, man. You could be up 5, 10x in a matter of two 10-minute candles or two 5-minute candles. If you're 50x leveraging, dude, you could be ripping. But then out of nowhere, man, it just turns, not only wipes that gain out, but wipes your entire position out just because you didn't book. So you are right, man. You need those sniper entries, but you also need those sniper exits, and you need some quick exits. Get in, finish, just execute the mission, and get the heck out of there. All right? That's all I got to say. Easily get wrecked. Bearish Bangers is right on that. Safe to buy Dogeverse. What's my debit card on the platform that you sent in the description below with typo? Well, that's up to you, Buffalo Buds. When I am buying any of these tokens, okay, I trust the website, yes, because I trust the marketing company that I am working with. So the way that works out in my position, okay, I'm what they call an influencer or a key opinion leader because I have followers out on YouTube. So the marketing company reaches out all day long to these influencers, to people they believe have followings and so on. And they say, hey, will you talk about this? Will you bring some awareness to this? Will you ask people if they want to buy this and so on? I say, sure. And I've been working with this marketing company for a while now. And I've never been burned. Now, by any of the projects that they have sent my way. Some of them went down in price, but all of them launched. My wallet has never been drained. I've never seen any suspicious activity or anything like that. But, okay, I still use my precautions. I'm not connecting my main wallet. I'm connecting the wallet that I use to connect to the websites. I've got a specific wallet that I use for that. It is a crypto wallet, okay? I'm not linking my bank account to these websites. That is your decision to do. I would rather buy these pre-sales in crypto. I would still rather use my extra precaution and buy these with my, wallet that I dedicate to connecting to websites, and still cover all of my bases and try to cover all of my bases. At this point, dude, I wouldn't go out and just try to Google Dogeverse. I've seen so many scams out there, dude. I've seen the same thing with Doge 20. There were so many stinking scams out there, which is one of the reasons I believe people have a hard time claiming their Doge 20, is because they connected to a scam website, but they don't want to admit it to themselves. or some of the other situations, they staked their Dogeverse and they don't understand they gotta wait to claim after staking. You gotta wait 7 days. So there could be a variety of reasons there, but yeah, man, completely up to you on that. I'm not connecting my debit card to it, but I did connect my wallet to it, right? If Pepe goes down to a $10 million market cap, I will be buying a lot more. Yeah, Jeffrey, man. And if Bitcoin goes down to $100 per coin, I will be buying a lot more as well, man. Yes, do that. I'm predicting altcoin season just before the ending of the summer holiday. Hey, Flamey, could be, man. Could be. People could be gearing up. People could be very excited about the election. But people could be very excited about the results of the election. And that excitement, that's what causes the FOMO. None of you guys reminded me to see if I could go live. What is happening, dude? I know that I had this stupid 50 subscribers more than 24 hours ago. You're still not letting me go live, man. You're still not letting me go live. Frank, if you're still in here, see if you can go live on your phone. You don't have to go live. But I don't understand what's going on with that. That's pretty annoying. It's not that hard. You need to know some things, but you're hiving it a little. I've learned too much. Cut half position, 100% gain, and let the rest ride. Yeah, bearish bangers, though, man. When do you cut the second half? Because you're just going to be losing that. You're just going to be losing the rest of that half if you let a 100x leverage position ride. Thought 10x was stressful. 10x is stressful, Space 8. It is. Hola, hermano Clay. Hola, Johnny K. Man, glad to have you in here. NB, you should make Gorilla Blue. All right. Okay. Any word on Dogeverse going live? Not yet. Good news with Gary Gnu, man. My best guess is within the next... The website should update at any time, right? The website should update at any time with a countdown ticker. So I keep checking back for that, but I haven't seen the website update yet. Hood bro, looking like it needs a haircut. Freaking hip. Yeah, I know, man. I was looking at that earlier today. I was sitting outside, dude, and I'm like, what the heck's touching my forehead? Look at this. Like, look how long that is there. I don't know if my hair has ever been this long here. It comes down well above my face, like well in front of my eyes. I can't ever remember my hair. Look at it. What if my hair was like this? Some people wear their hair like this. I cannot stand to have my hair touching my forehead, which is why it's always up. But, oh my gosh, dude. Like, I can't even see you right now. I can't even see you. It's crazy, dude. Oh, man. What do we got here? Hold on. Anybody wondering, this is Tim's fault. Hey, that's not bad. Hold on. Oh, that's bad. Yeah, we got a little middle part there. The hair does not want to go this way. It really wants to go the other way. I'll take it. We'll see if anybody says anything. See if anybody new rolling in says anything there. Timmy! Thank you, baby. Timmy, Timmy, Timmy. Oh, Timmy, Timmy, Timmy. Oh, it's Clay Bieber, baby. It's Clay Bieber. Timmy, Timmy, Timmy. Oh, Timmy, thank you very much for the super chat. We'll see if anybody says anything, guys. We'll see if anybody says anything coming in. But what's wrong with your hair? Are you doing something new? I'll be like, yeah, I'm doing something new right here. It's Tim's fault. He said something about it. Let's see. Clay, looking like Dirk Diggler. Who the heck is that? When he made his first... Who the heck is Dirk Diggler, man? Because tonight will be the night I will fall for you over again. Yes. Super weenies. I like it, man. Hello there from, I believe, the Philippines. Malaya. Hello. Glad to have you in here right now. I know AMC is whack, but you think it will still run? Not with Adam Aaron at the wheel. Okay? Not with Adam Aaron at the wheel. I do not think that it will run there. If Leap's theory is right, we already won. Yes. And if all of the theories prior to that were right, we won 3 years ago. The price of AMC right now, the price of GameStop right now are not looking like we are winning. I'm just going to point that out there. But, yeah. If something about the Leap theory happening on May 7th, tomorrow, okay, hopefully we win, but I don't know about that, man. Dirk Diggler is a fictional character played by Mark Wahlberg in the 1997 movie Boogie Nights. Okay, thank you very much. Good news, Garrigan news. See, I have no idea. You guys come up with all this stuff, man, and I have no idea where you get it, but I like it. I like it. Instead, I look like Mark Wahlberg. I'll take it, man. I'll take it. Clibro, or hey, Clibro, shout out to Clibro. Hey, Will, shout out to Will Major, baby. What are the squiggles on the screen? They look fun. Mia, I think you might be referring. Was there somebody in here that had some Arabic writing? Not sure. Not sure. Unless you're talking about the lines on the screen, the candles on the screen. The squiggles, if you're talking about the colorful squiggles on the screen, they are very fun, Mia. They are very fun. The squiggles on the screen mean that you are making money or losing money. Red squiggles or purple squiggles mean that you are losing money. Unless, of course, you are shorting. Then the red squiggles or purple squiggles mean that you are making money. The green squiggles on the screen mean that you are making money. Well, of course, if you're shorting, the green squiggles on the screen mean that you are losing money. So the squiggles on the screen are gains or losses. Mia, excellent question. No, the pink and green things, yes. The pink and green things are people making money and people losing money. It is simply a price of a cryptocurrency or the price of a stock. The price of a stock going up means the people that bought it are making money. The people that sold it are losing money. The price of a stock going down, well, it means the people bought it are losing money, and the people that shorted it or selling it are making money. So, Mia, excellent question. So red bet. Well, red only bad if you buy. Red good if you sell. So red doesn't necessarily mean bad. Red for me would be bad because I don't have any short positions, but sometimes red can be good if you are selling. Or red can be good if you're buying a put. Now, if you're buying a put and you see red, you still bought, but you're betting on the price going down. So red can be good, red can be bad. Green can be good, green can be bad. It just all depends. Are we going to be millionaires soon? Malaya, yes, we're going to be millionaires soon. I don't know what your positions look like, but I hope that every single one of you guys in here is a millionaire by the end of this bull run. And if you're not, that's okay. I hope you're a millionaire by the end of the next bull run. And if you're not, that's okay. You should have learned enough by the end of that second bull run that you could become a millionaire in the following bull run. So I do hope to see everybody with $1 million cash or crypto by the end of the bull market. We're farming. That'll show people losing money. That will show people losing money, Tim. Farmy is in the trash. Ooh, 73 stinking tiny little cents. Yeah, Mia, you want to see some people losing a lot of money? Take a look at Farmy right here. Going from $1,900 down to 73 cents over the last couple of years. It's so low on the chart, you can't even see it. Farmy, guys, never been lower in the history of Farmy. Farmy doing nothing but breaking support, 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 support again. Broke it. Support, 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 support again. People are going to average down, man. People are going to average down and down and down and down. And guess what they're going to do after? Reverse split. Then you're going to have 100 shares instead of 100,000 shares. And then they're going to go down and down and down. Farmy is a racket. Do not buy Farmy. GameStop, man, it's at $26 after hours right now, down another 4%. AMC down 1% in after hours trade. Not liking the after hours activity in AMC and GameStop there. The dude from Citron Research was shorting 3 years ago. I clicked on something. Hold on. Is shorting again this time around. They do not learn. Super Weenie. They do not learn, man, but anybody that's shorting AMC or GameStop in the last 2 days is making a lot of money right now. All in on SHIB. Let's get started. Jeremiah, man, I hope you make it, dude. I hope you make it. All in on SHIB. What do we got? SHIB sitting here at 24.50 at the moment. Not a bad graph at all, man. Still down 2.5% on the day today. But if you pull it out, you can see that it has been breaking out of that descending wedge, breaking out of that bull flag pattern. And if it can make it through this choppy water right here and gets back up above 2,800, it's going to be looking pretty nice, dude. Because as soon as it tests 3,500 points per coin, Shiba Inu Coin is potentially one of those bottle rockets that we talked about at the beginning of the live stream. Maybe Farmy is the biggest bull flag in the history of stonks. Did Farmy ever even have the pole? Like the flagpole? Farmy never even had the flagpole, man. If Farmy would have gone up ever, sure. But yeah, dude, Farmy is nothing but it's nothing but the flag. Right? You've got the flag here. But where's the pole, man? You need the initial run. You need the initial run to make it a flag. We've just got the pennant. Just exponential losing curve there. It's sad, man. Farmy took a lot of my money. I don't like Farmy. Farmy took a lot of my money, and I don't even want it back. I don't even want to talk to those people. Let's see. Got some shares of CRKN just for the fun. Hopefully get to hundreds of dollars if I'm lucky. Hey, Cherry Rolando, I hope so as well. Very nice. All I need is for SHIB to drop another zero for 200,000. I hope dollars, Jeremiah. I hope dollars, dude. Yes, yes, yes. The truth, FFIE stock, yes. I don't know if it was 2022 now or 2023. I actually made money on FFIE. I traded FFIE. I don't even remember if it was 2022 or 2023, but I'll pull that up real quick. Dude, since I traded it, it got absolutely wrecked. I know it's doing okay over the last couple of days, but nowhere near where it should be, right? Now, if you look at the daily chart, and you're... darn it, I didn't want to be that far zoomed out. If you look at the hourly chart, you can see that going from just under 4 cents to $2.35 is phenomenal, right? 50x gains right here. Talking almost 100x gains on FFIE. Nice, 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 nice. Well, not that nice, okay? Not that nice. I was buying FFIE back in, I forget if it was 2022 or 2023. Let's take a look. Let's look at the weekly. All right. Probably 2022. Let's look at the daily chart here. Let's just see. Remember now, FFIE is 3 cents. It's done amazing. 50x gains to get back up to $1. Let's see where I was trading FFIE. Now, I learned a lot on Farmy. I learned that you just need to trade. Get the heck out when you make some money. I don't even remember. January. I think it was warm out when I was trading, so it had to be in this area right here. FFIE, it spiked up. I took advantage of everybody talking about it. I got in, and I sold some call options, and I made some money selling the call options, and I made some money getting called away. I did that like 2 weeks, okay? And I was done with it, right? Look what happens afterwards. So I was playing with fire, right? I was trading in this area right here. I don't know if I got in here or what exact spike it was. But, you know, I didn't make these full gains. I didn't ride it from, 884 to 1800. I would have got in, you know, sold a call option that was, you know, 30% out of the money, 40, 50% out of the money, and got called away. But I want you to know that it was not $1,800 a share when I was playing it. It was $1 per share when I was playing it. But they have reverse split, and they have done nothing but rip their investors off for the last, well, forever since they've been out. And here they are today, going from $1,800 when I was playing it, with people excited about it sitting at $1.65, elated that it's sitting at $1.65 here. You can't even zoom it in. It's so low. So, yeah, FFIE, man. If you made some money on it, get out and run right now. Get out and run right now. Don't even think about it. Don't look back. Just straight up run. And hopefully you did make some money on it. Nigif, good afternoon to you, man. How did Dong with Hat get so high? Went from 13 cents to close to $3. Do you think it will go to $10? It could. I only think it's at I think it's at a $3 billion market cap. I think it could hit 3. I think it could hit 10 billion. Yeah. I don't know if it will, but I think it can. Let's see here. Guys, it is 5 o'clock. Do you think Ethereum will ever get back to 5? Yeah. Jeremiah, I do. I think Ethereum is going to hit a new all-time high. I have no idea what's going on. This is the lamest thing I've ever seen with YouTube, man. They're not even letting me stream here. I've got 50 subscribers, so I have no idea what they're doing. Guys, it is 5 o'clock. All right, get your names in the chat. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back tomorrow. We'll be back tonight with video, so please watch that video. Click the link on the video. Buy the token in the video if you want to buy the token in the video. But appreciate all of you guys for watching. Keeping it awesome. There's 353 people in here. That is more than normal. So I don't know if you guys are rolling in from YouTube Shorts or where. But I would appreciate it if you click the subscribe button on the channel. I do go live twice a day, every single day during the week. I would love to have you back. I'd love to hang out on a daily basis. Make this your new spot for 2 hours during the day. Noon Eastern time, 4 p.m. Eastern time. Listen at lunchtime. Listen on your ride home, whatever you got to do. But thank you very much for clicking that subscribe button. All that good stuff. Let's do some shout-outs, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Tim, have a great one. We got Buska, Eso Records. See you later, Buska. Nigga, good afternoon to you and goodbye to you. Gorilla Man, see you later. Jeremiah, we got Jamie, Tim, Jeremiah, Cena, P. We got Good News, New, man. ETH is gonna rock it. I want to load some more before it does. Tim, hey, see you later, man. We got Jamie, Good News, New, Jeremiah, Ryan the Rapper, Will Major, Ozus. We got Foley Grossman, see you later. I'm in from YouTube Shirts. Foley Grossman, thank you very much for swinging in on the shorts feed there. Sorry about my hair too. I messed it up because of Tim, man. Now it won't go back. Now we're all messed up. Foley Grossman, thank you very much for coming in from the YouTube Shorts. Bye, brah. See you later, Master. J Bones, have a great one. Gorilla Bones. We got Tim, Will Major, Negative Man. Peace out to you, Timothy. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.